New 2025 Royal Enfield Classic 350. Intro. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a motorcycle that's become synonymous with classic style and timeless riding. The all-new 2025 Royal Enfield Classic 350. Key features: performance. Let's jump right in. Now, the Classic 350 has always been known for its simple, easy-to-ride nature. For 2025, Royal Enfield has kept that essence but added some exciting new features. One of the biggest upgrades is a possible switch to a flex-fuel engine. This means the Classic 350 could run on a blend of gasoline and ethanol, potentially boosting fuel efficiency and reducing emissions. Performance-wise, we might see some tweaks to the 350cc single-cylinder engine. Don't expect a massive power surge, but hopefully, there's a touch more oomph for highway cruising. Design tech. The iconic silhouette of the Classic remains, but Royal Enfield promises some design refinements. We're hearing whispers of a new, more aerodynamic profile that could improve fuel efficiency further. Another exciting update is the possibility of a fully digital instrument cluster. This would be a major leap forward, replacing the classic dials with a modern display that offers a wealth of information. Royal Enfield might also be throwing in some alloy wheels for a lighter feel and a more contemporary look. Safety is getting an upgrade too, with rumors of dual-disc brakes with ABS becoming standard. Unique selling points. Now, what makes the Classic 350 so special? It's a motorcycle that bridges the gap between timeless design and modern functionality. It's perfect for new riders or those who appreciate a comfortable, easygoing ride. The 2025 update promises to enhance that experience without sacrificing the bike's classic charm. Whether it's the potential for better fuel economy, the convenience of a digital display, or the improved safety features, the new Classic 350 seems to be shaping up nicely. Outro. Of course, the official specs and features haven't been revealed yet, but based on the rumors and leaks, it seems the 2025 Royal Enfield Classic 350 is poised to be a compelling option for riders who crave a classic motorcycle experience with a touch of modern flair. If you're looking for a stylish, comfortable, and approachable motorcycle, the new Classic 350 is definitely worth keeping an eye on. Stay tuned for further updates, and as always, thanks for watching.